guys. Hello, hello, hello. This is Lechugas. There you go. Lechugas. 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 Then we have to go here. Here. See. That is strawberry. Those are runners. Strawberry. Then afterwards, they put it here. As you can see there, they already begin to put weight. There you go. There you go. That's the it from here. We got that. We got the runners. They put it here. Like that. See there? It's already big. We begin to transplant that part there. You cannot see. Wait. There you go. See? That's it. There. See? Here we go. Okay. You wait. We'll go. Okay. Back again in the Lechugas. Wait. Okay, there you go. There. Lechugas. There. 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 This is how the farmer looks like. Here you go. Okay. There you go. Oh, this is my handsome nephew. Show your face. See? See? It's a strawberry flower. It's ready to bloom. Okay. Okay. Those also anthuriums. Okay. And also we have sayote. Known as Miss Christophe. There. Okay. That's all. Thank you.